There is concern about Super Bowl gatherings this weekend. Health officials have linked large gatherings to COVID outbreaks, of course. They're encouraging everyone once again to think about smartly how to celebrate the game. Christian Garzone joins us now with more.
Well, we've all heard over the past number of months especially about avoiding large gatherings. Health officials say that is the biggest spreader of coronavirus. With the holiday surge over, leaders and those in the medical community are hoping to avoid a Super Bowl spread during the game. Super Bowl parties typically have large groups of people huddled together sharing food, fun, and all the festivities. But Game 55 for many is going to be far different than 54. Melissa Bronstein with Rochester Regional Health is hoping fans will choose wisely while we're still in the midst of the COVID pandemic. She also says if you do have a few friends over, limit it to just a few others. Also, outdoor celebrations are a good choice. As we saw during the playoff games, many figured out ways to keep some of the cold away and enjoy football, like these fans during the Bills versus Chiefs game. Bronstein says to follow the guidelines medical professionals say are tried and true, even if you have already been vaccinated. Things like sanitation, distance, and ventilation are key.
You still want to follow these guidelines as much as possible. You know, there's still lots of questions about the vaccine that we don't quite know yet. We know that it will protect the person who received the vaccine within 2 weeks or after 2 weeks of having been vaccinated. But what we don't know is if that person is still able to carry the virus and if they could potentially infect other people. Keep masks in place except while eating. And while you're eating, don't share big bowls of chips. Everyone should have their own serving so you're not running the risk of potentially cross-contaminating the food bowl.
Bronstein also said, and this might be a tough one to take in, limit your beer intake. She says too much alcohol can cause a lapse in judgment, causing people to forget about those guidelines to follow. In Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8.